Hello everybody, this is the BV Lead Priority Scorer. This is a free tool to use for anybody that downloaded the starter pack or is a free member of Crown Assets Club. You can plug in some information for any bona vacantia lead, whether it's from the club or it's one that you found yourself. And it will rate it from 0 to 10. And it will help you prioritize which ones to pursue and which ones to discard. So you want to come down here, your initial details here, your title number and property address. These are optional. Your property type. For this lead, it's going to be a vacant plot. Some other options you have there are house, blocks of flats, garage blocks or lockups, ransom strips, commercial yard, access land or brownfield sites. You drop down and go to tenure, and it's a freehold title. The region is Midlands. Open market value, this is a rough range. Sometimes leads within the Crown Assets Club have that information already present, but again, it is a rough guide, a rough range. For this instance, it's going to be 100 to 200K. Is the dissolved company confirmed as the current registered proprietor? And this is a very critical check here. Some of the options are yes. There's multiple owners. A no, which would indicate, if it is a no, it would indicate a pre-dissolution transfer. And you immediately just want to throw the lead out because it's no good. It's not bona vacantia. For this example, we're going to select unknown because we haven't checked the title yet. And now we're going to drop down to months since dissolution. And for this example, it's 23. Are you an adjoining owner? No, I am not. However, if you are, that strengthens your case tenfold. So if you have a rental property, one of our early testers had a rental property and acquired a adjoining piece of land that was adjacent to her property. And it progressed very quickly because she was an adjoining owner. Okay, then we're going to drop down to known early title issues and red flags. For this example, we've got outstanding charges. But some other options there are dangerous structures, contamination that you'll discover during your initial site visit. You would hold control and select multiple if you need to. But for this instance, we just have one there. Next option is any known competing claims or disputes or referrals. And for us, in this lead, and the answer is no. The next option is quick notes and keywords. So whether it's a town center location or there's some kind of risk like asbestos. But for us, we're going to do redevelopment potential. Okay, and then we're going to drop down and we're going to click this button here. It says score this lead. And immediately we get an output there. So anything above an 8 is high priority. You probably want to pursue it as soon as you're willing and able to, and you've done your initial due diligence and talked with your solicitor. Anything below a 4 is probably high risk, and there's multiple issues. You probably want to discard it unless it's something super special like a shopping center or a large block of flats or maybe a 4-acre plot of land that's in a very pristine neighborhood. And here we've got, so the output, you've got your positives and negatives for the lead. It'll highlight some risks and score it based off of everything that you just input. And as you can see here, since we didn't check the title yet, it's telling us to do that immediately. That's going to be priority number 1 for us. So if you are a free member, or if you have downloaded the starter pack, use this tool first. It should be your first stop when you're checking out your leads. You can gain access to this tool by downloading the starter pack or joining Crown Assets Club for free. You can get the starter pack at crownassetsclub.com/guide. And I'm going to put the link on the screen right now. And I will also put it in the comment section or the video description. One more thing I forgot to mention, you can also scroll down here and copy all the information to your clipboard, pop it into your notes for future reference, or share it with your solicitor. So again, there's the link there on the screen, crownassetsclub.com/guide, and you can start using this tool now. Thank you very much.